So sick, it was so sick. What the fuck? Yes, sir. I have one. Oh, this is a good one. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to do another video for you. I hope you're doing well. I'm in the car right now, ready to take the road to a new spot. It's a river, and someone told me that there's smallmouth, maybe walleye, and we can also catch a pike. So it's gonna be a good one. Stick with. What else? It's midday, 1 p.m. and we will fish until dark. So a few hours ahead of us, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. I think this way. Shit. There's so many trees on the ground. Like, seriously? Pretty bad. Oof, there's a lot of mosquitoes right here. Yes, sir. I got something. Something's on it. Ooh, it's a good one. Good one. Yes. No way. I am so disappointed. I had something really good. Hopefully I'll catch this bass. Like, maybe it was a walleye, I don't know. But of course it was a good one. No way I lost him, no way. Damn. It was something really good. I swear. Damn. I can't believe it. Yes. Yes, sir. Another one. Maybe it's the same one. What is this? What is this? Is it a bass or a walleye? I think it's a bass. I don't know. Amazing. A good bass. Good smallie. Good one. Come on, come here. Oh, yes, sir. Look at this. Decent fish. Oh my God. I can't believe it. Wow. Look at the color of this fish. Wow. That's why I came here. Woohoo. Look at that. Oh, yes. Thank you. Look at this. Just found a new spot on a beautiful river. Nice. I'm gonna let him go. I am so happy. Something's on it. Yes! I wasn't expecting it to happen. Woo! Yes! Let's go. Come here. Come here. I was setting my camera, and suddenly this one came to hit the bait. It's a decent one. Dang. Wow. Come here. I love those river smallie. Let's go. Another one. Another good one. Good fish. This is a 2-pounder right here. I'm gonna send him right where he came. See ya. So sick, it was so sick. What the fuck? Hey, oh my god, he did that to me 2 times. 2 times. Hey, il est encore là. Another one. I got him. Yes, sir. Oh. Oh no, what's that? My friend told me it's a white fish, I don't know. Hey, but it's a beautiful fish.
Ouais, c'est pas bon, moi.
See ya. Stick with, and we'll see you at spot number 4. I will test my boot. I don't know if it's a good idea, but we'll see. There's a lot of water, so I crossed the river, and I'll try right there in front of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so last spot was spot number 5, and this is spot number 6. Yes, sir. I have one. Oh, this is a good one. This is a pretty good one. Oh, damn, yes, it's a good one. Really good one. Come here. Wow. Oh. No, no, no. Come here. Oh yeah, it's a really good one. Such a nice fish. No, no, no. Yes, my friend, look at this beauty bass. Oh my God, this is what I am after. Wow, like maybe 18, 19 inches beauty bass. Wow. Okay, this worth it. Wow, let's release this fish. I need to cross the river again, and I just caught the big bass. Oh, hopefully I can walk. Ooh, I can't. Damn, I had to deal with the owner of the property. Come on. Oh, I got one. No, 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 no way. He's gone with the worm. I hope you enjoyed this one. Like, to me, it was a really nice day. I caught a lot of fish, a few smallmouth, and yeah, good smallies. Seriously, it was a really good day. I enjoyed this fishing session. I hope you it's the same for you. Give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in another video where there's less mosquitoes.